Hi guys, welcome back to my cash envelope stuffing. This week has been absolutely just brilliant. There's a lot of things that I've ticked off my list and I am actually so scared of life right now. But without further ado, let's go. Let me just adjust you and get this started. I hope you like the new angle that I'm doing. Hope you do. So guys, I tried my best to go to the shop and get all the notes that I needed, but I couldn't reach the bank. So here we are. This is my sticker from the sticker collection. I actually need to put them individually, I think. And this one says, I am worthy. I get better every day. And that one says, I am everything I need to be. You know me guys, I love the positivity. I think what is life without being positive, to be honest with you. I'm going to be looking at setting up a few more cash envelopes just because I feel that there's something that I really want to do. I really want to go traveling big time, not just the Caribbean, not just back to Montserrat. I want to go traveling like all over the world with my kids, and I need to make that priority. So what I've decided this year is I'm going to always try and keep my bulk envelope up to a certain amount. But what I will do then is, let me just move that up there. Where do I move that here? And then I have my notes here. And I hope you can see it a little bit better. That better? Yeah, I really want to move. I really want to go traveling. And I really want my kids to go traveling. I think that, what's life without seeing the world and really seeing what the world has to offer? I think they would love it, to be honest. Yeah, okay, I've been fixing angles. I think what's life without, really getting to see the world and see what's out there for us all. So yeah, that's my dream anyway, and I'm just sharing it with you. I have many dreams, to be honest with you. So the first one is food. I already took that out while I was talking to you, and for food it's €50. I've decided that what I'm going to do is I'm going to fund it with my food envelope, because I think that what's left over will just go towards our traveling. So food is 50. You can see that's 50 there. I had nothing left, and I'll tell you a funny story with that, guys. Me and Louis and Eliza were outside the car. We had just come back from the library, and I looked down. Eliza dropped her books, and I looked down and there was €25 there. And I was like, oh my God. I'm after finding €25. I was delighted. I thought I was winning, And what happened was, I was in my mom's then, and I was like, oh my God, Mom, I'm after finding this. There you go. You can have it. But wasn't the €25? It fell out my purse for some reason, out my food envelope. So I basically gave away my food money. And I literally only copped it like 2 days later. Oh, I swear to God. As you know, guys, I usually split my food into two. Oh, only me. And this is what's in my bulk envelope. So I would like to get my bulk envelope to about, I'd say €200. And then I can pick and choose. And when it goes to that amount, whatever I get left over in the food envelope, I will just literally go and put that towards our biggest holiday. And it's not the Montserrat holiday. I think it's actually Japan. That's where they want to go, and that's where I'd like to go. So we're just happy out with that one. So guys, the next one is petrol. Guys, petrol is killing me. I'm not going to lie. Look, what do we expect anyway? Petrol is killing me. I'm going to put the €20 in there. I saw somebody doing it this way, and I just thought it was a brilliant way of actually stuffing their envelopes. I was like, I feel like I'm doing it with them. So I was like, maybe you guys would like it this way as well. So petrol, guys, that is €20. I ain't gonna last. The next one is car tax. My car tax is nearly full. I'm delighted with that now. And this is the kind of envelope that you don't really touch. What else is in here? Okay, so we have 50, 1, 10, 15. I have to put a fiver in there, but what I will do is I'm gonna free up the 15 and I'll put 20 in there, so it's 120. I literally have 50 more and then this envelope is full. I'm so delighted, guys. I really am. Yeah, so there's the car tax. The next one is the electricity. I'm not going to actually put anything in here just because I have gotten a great deal on my electricity, but the downside is you have to pay it direct debit. Now, in saying that, I'm just waiting to receive my first bill, and then I'll probably start going back and trying to pay it another way. But look, no, if it's direct debit, I'll just put it in the bills account and then that will deal with that. Means that there's less cash. But what I will try and do is get that envelope up a little bit, so in the winter, if it ends up being a little bit dearer or more expensive, then I'm not too worried or bothered then, you know. Car maintenance. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just... So that's the tax. No, it's kids' clothes next. Santa's follow. I don't have these in order, guys, so that's where the problem is. So kids' clothes. We're doing fine for kids' clothes. Remember I told you that I thought we needed loads of stuff for the kids' clothes? We didn't at all. We have 25. We're gonna need little dresses and stuff. But Eliza, most of the clothes that I buy for them, it's the case of actually layering them on and layering. Look at my nails, guys. Lord. When I was doing with the price of everything, it kind of came as part of that, but now it's not. I'm like, oh God. Because look how bad this one fell off, and look how bad it is. It's actually so bad. So I have to get my nails back to... They're actually nice. I love them. I have to get them back. My mom gave me a voucher for the nail place, and I was like, oh, guys, I don't really like spending the money like I should, you know. I do be like, oh, I can't be spending that on my nails now. Come on, Santa's, you know. It's really bad, actually. Okay, so what do we have? House Miss. House Miss is empty, guys. There's nothing in here. Let's put a tenner in. Oh my God, it's so sad. Because I'll tell you why, guys. I got a new couch, table and chairs, and I also got a new rug. And I'm not even going to tell you the amount, but I'd love, if you are hearing this part in the video, I would love for you to comment below and tell me what you think I spent on all of those. Because I'm not trying to say I'm a budgeting queen, because I'm not really. But what I've gotten, whew, I think I'm out to outdo myself. Like, I don't think I'll ever be able to beat that again. I'm loving it though. Birthdays, which is the gifts envelope. Where are you? Oh Lord, give me a second. Oh my God, I was doing a talk today and I was showing them like my gift envelope and I never put it back. So the gift, there's not a lot. The gift that keeps giving, there's not a lot in there. There's €25 and we need to get up to, I'd like to get a good bit. And I have a wedding coming too, guys. I didn't plan for it and I'm trying to think, how am I going to get them a gift, because money ain't there, honey. Oh God. Hopefully a miracle happens between now and then, because they are going to get a gift, obviously. But you know yourself, I'm like, seriously, my poor little self-care fund. Like, obviously I'm not going to be buying anything for the wedding, really. For me, as a dress, I have a dress that I had from Christmas, so I'll probably show you out the outfit here. I have a dress that I got, it was in Christmas. My brother got it for me in the Chris Kindle, so I'll probably wear that for the wedding. And I have shoes, and they were from Depop. I got them like 6 months ago. So now my next thing is, Lord, how am I gonna afford this old wedding? And it's like my best friends are getting married. Okay, guys, the Christmas is coming on great. I'm gonna put another tenner in there. Now, not lovely. There's no coins this week, and I keep my Christmas. That's a saving challenge that I'm doing there, so I do that in the Christmas. And what I do is once a month, when it's finished, I just clear it out and put it into a bank account, just because I'm very conscious of just having that money loose. And now my kids, they'd get ideas, they'd be in here, and you know, I can't be affording for money to be burnt or God knows what they do with it. Now, I've had a good bit of spending on this one, guys. This is my school sinking fund, back to school. So there's 115. So Louis got a new tracksuit, a new jumper. Actually, the tracksuit that he has now, Eliza will have that. And then we got a new jumper for Eliza. So that's 2 things bought. We have Louis' trousers already. I need to get shorts, socks. The shoes that he has this year will last. The school bag will last him as well. It's just really Eliza, so we're doing well with that. So I'm looking to get she's stretching so fast, guys. I'm looking to actually see if I can get like her pinafore, but that'll all come, won't it? 10, car maintenance. Oh god, I hope there's change in here because I literally have no change left. Oh, thank you, car maintenance. Okay, what do I have in here? So it's 50. Let's go. 50, 70, 90, 110, 20, 35. So that's 135 in there, guys. And car maintenance is another tenner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it 50 and take 220. If you see where I'm going with that, because I need to split up some change. So gave you 50, you give me back 40. Okay, so what do we have here now? It's 50, 1, 20, 45. Brilliant. I'm like biggest notes at the back. So that's the car maintenance, guys. I have no cash envelope wallets left, guys, and they're in. I'm getting black and grey, so, and I'm looking at other ones even to get again, so I'm really chuffed with that. But it's just that it takes time. I think they've shipped the grey ones over now, and the black one, I don't know whether she was lying or not. I don't know. Okay, this is the kids' fun. If this is still left at the end of the month, it goes into Percy the Pig, and Percy the Pig will be towards our holiday as well. That's our spending money. You could see the theme of things, guys. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm looking to get smaller cash envelope wallets that I can put individual wallets in, as in like from when I do my self-care, I'd like to go, okay, self-care, that's going to be for nails, that's going to be for moisturizers, that's going to be for new makeup. I'd love to do my self-care like that. Anyway, how much do I owe the kids? I owe them €10. Guys, I feel like I'm after missing something. You know when you get that funny feeling? I don't know. Okay. And gymnastics, I was actually meant to make a list out of how much is in all of them, because I'm really, the insurance is nearly done. That's children's fun. So now we have swimming. I've definitely missed one. Swimming is €20. Well, let's see what we have first. Oh, I do have some change. 50, 70, 90, 110, 20, 30, 35, 40. So that's 140. And then that is going to be another, what way am I doing this? This is going to be another 20 going in. Guys, I have money left over and I don't know from what did I miss. There's something I've definitely missed out anyway. I don't know what I've missed. Don't think I have missed anything too mad. Okay, so that's this. And then the last one is for me, self-care. Let's see what's in here. Oh, €30. So it is building, thank you Jesus. And then I'm gonna put 20 in. So that's for, oh my god, I've never seen my self-care fund at 50. And I'm hoping I need new moisturizer. And that's why I feel like when I know exactly how much I have to spend on things, I feel like that's when the magic happens. That's when the magic happens. I don't know where this is from. I knew I was going to have an extra $5, but I literally don't know how I have a tenner left. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask no questions and I'm going to put it in my Christmas. I don't know whether that's right or wrong, but you know what? It is what it is. Oh, this is from the kids, 20 cents, robbing my own children. God. So I hope you enjoy that budget with that cash envelope stuffing with me. Next week is the final week of the month, so we'll be going through my budget for the month. We'll be seeing how much I have in all of my sinking funds and all the cash envelopes, alongside how much I've saved for the month. Have a lovely Friday, guys. Yeah, I can't wait to see it on Sunday for the vlog. Do not miss this. It'll be unreal. Bye.